Hello student, today our topic is related with the periodic classification of elements of class 10th. Periodic classification of elements. What is the need of periodic classification of elements? Total number of elements at present time is near about 118 and all elements are divided into different groups to study them properly. The elements which have similar properties kept in a particular group and the element with different property are placed in a different group. In this respect, first development started by the Dauvergne. So first is Dauvergne triads. Dauvergne, according to Dauvergne, when elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses, group of three elements having similar chemical properties are obtained. The atomic mass of the middle element of triad being equal to the arithmetic mean of the atomic mass of the other two elements. Atomic masses of other two elements, right? Since Dauvergne used only three elements in a group, therefore it is known as Dauvergne triads. Triads means three. Dauvergne triads. As per the Dauvergne, when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses of group of three elements, then the middle element has the average atomic mass of other two elements. For example, in case of alkali metal, for example lithium, sodium and potassium, the average atomic mass of lithium is 7 plus mass of potassium is equal to 13. It is divided by 2, which is equal to 46 divided by 2 is equal to 23. And this is the atomic mass of sodium. He arranged all three elements like this: lithium, sodium and potassium. The average atomic mass of lithium and potassium is equal to atomic mass of sodium. He arranged another element which is the alkaline earth metal, calcium, strontium and barium, and the average atomic mass of calcium and barium is equal to the mass of strontium. For example, 40 plus 147 divided by 2 equal to 177, that is divided by 2. This is equal to 2 8 are 16, 2 8 are 16 and 2 8 are 16, 2 8 are 16 and 0.5. Near about it is equal to mass of strontium. Now the limitations of Dauvergne triads. Dauvergne was failed. The basic limitations of Dauvergne classification is that it failed to arrange all the then known elements in the form of triads of elements having similar chemical properties. Now Newland's law of octaves. Newland arranged the then known elements in the order of increasing atomic masses and found that properties of every 8 element are similar with the properties of the first element. Based on this observation, Newland said that when elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses, the properties of 8 elements starting from the given element are a repetition of the properties of the first element. As per the Newland, the repetition of the property take place like a musical notes, just like a sa re ga ma pa. When we start from sa and 8 pointers also sa. Now the limitations of Newland law of octave. First, Newland law of octave are applicable to the classification of element which resemble cobalt and nickel. In properties are placed far away from these elements. These are the reason we discard the Newland octave for this time. Now the Mendeleev periodic table. The Mendeleev found that when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses, the element with similar properties occur at regular interval of time. And on that observation, on that finding, Mendeleev periodic law, the properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses. There are in Mendeleev periodic table, there are basically 7 periods. Periods means horizontal rows, and age group. 8 groups means vertical column. In all, there are total 7 periods as well as 8 groups. Groups means vertical column and periods means horizontal row. Out of the 8 groups, first 7 groups are of normal elements and 8 group are of transition elements. Out of the 8 groups, 7 group from of the normal element and 8 of the transition element. Noble gases are not known at that time, so there are no group of noble gases in Mendeleev original periodic table. As well as the element in each group of the periodic tables are similar to one another in many properties. The main basic arrangement on the basis of this Mendeleev arrays, the main basic point on the basis of which Mendeleev arrays the periodic table is first increasing atomic masses, and second is grouping together of elements having similar properties. And Mendeleev arranges the element on the basis of increasing atomic masses, and the element which have similar chemical properties are arranged together. Now the merit of Mendeleev periodic classification. First is Mendeleev periodic law predicted the existence of some element that had not been discovered at that time. Mendeleev periodic law. First point is Mendeleev periodic law predicted the existence of some element that had not been discovered at that time. Mendeleev left the some position in his periodic table for the undiscovered element like gallium, scandium, germanium, etc. When later on these elements are discovered, Mendeleev placed them. When these elements are discovered, then that element are placed at the particular places. Second point, Mendeleev periodic table could not predict the properties of several elements on the basis of their position in the periodic table. Second point is Mendeleev periodic table could predict the properties of several elements on the basis of their position in the periodic table. Second merit of the Mendeleev periodic table is Mendeleev periodic table could predict the properties of several elements on the basis of their position in the periodic table. For example, gallium, scandium, germanium were predicted in this way. These predicted properties were found to be almost similar when these elements are discovered with their actual properties. Now the position of isobars. Isobars means different element having the same masses but different atomic number. For example, argon and calcium both have same atomic mass but different atomic number. In case of Mendeleev arranged the periodic table on the basis of atomic masses, but if the same but two different elements have same masses, then how this is possible to arrange them at the same place? And this is also a drawback of Mendeleev periodic table. Now we are moving toward the third drawback of Mendeleev is a correct position could not be assigned for hydrogen. In Mendeleev periodic table, hydrogen plays in group 1 with the alkali metal because hydrogen has similar properties like the alkali metal when react with any other element like halogen, oxygen and sulfur, which has the same chemical formula. This means that hydrogen resembles alkali metal in some of the properties. But hydrogen also resembles halogen like fluorine, chlorine and bromine in some of the properties. For example, like halogen, hydrogen also exists in the form of diatomic molecule. Hydrogen also combine with some metals and form ionic compound and react with the non-metal to form covalent compound. It means hydrogen has some properties similar with alkali and some properties similar with halogen, as well as hydrogen has some properties which is completely different from alkali metal as well as halogen. For example, hydrogen placed in first period and neither alkali or nor halogen placed in first period. But Mendeleev unable to place the hydrogen in proper position. And the last point is, wrong order of atomic masses of some element could not be explained. According to Mendeleev periodic table, the elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses. But in case of some elements which have heavier atomic mass than that of the lighter element are placed. For example, cobalt having the higher atomic mass, which is 58.9, comes first, and nickel element, which is slightly lower atomic mass, which is 58.7, comes later. And this Mendeleev periodic table could not explain these abnormal situation of wrong order of atomic masses. These are all drawback of, or we can say that limitations of Mendeleev periodic law. After that, modern periodic table will come and we discuss in next class. Thank you everyone.